Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here back with the video, and in previous video I have showed you the general settings which you have to do before using Final Cut Pro. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the timeline, the magnetic timeline. So let's start. So these are the imported files. We have imported one video, 3 photos. So to work with this video we have to just press here and drag it like this. So how to insert a particular part of the video clip in the timeline here. So what we have to do is we have to set in and out points. Now what are in and out points? Well, you have to just select like this. You have to press I for endpoint. I have to select the clip from here to here and I will press O. So in between these yellow lines we can drag it like this. So my selected clip is being imported on the timeline, or what we can do is we have to just set I out points O. We have to just press W and it will be automatically inserted into the timeline. So this is the shortcut, I and O for the in and out points and W for inserting on the timeline. Now this is a magnetic timeline. What I mean about magnetic timeline, for example, if I want to insert this, so if I push it further it will not go anywhere. I have to put this clip onto another timeline like this and there will be a free space right there. So yes, this is a magnetic timeline. Magnet, attract each other, so these two clips will attract each other like this. So this is the magnetic timeline. Some like it, some didn't like it. So yeah, and for deleting the clip, just delete it by pressing the delete button. So for now you have learned that you can delete the clip by just pressing the delete button. You can select a particular clip by just selecting the in and out points like this, I and O, and you can insert it by pressing the W. So that's how simple it is. Now if you want to select any other clip or any other photo, you can do like this. You have to select in and out points, but photo doesn't have in and out point. You can press however you want and you can drag it like this, or you can press W for it. So when I pressed, so here it is. So let's start. There will be a next clip after that. So this is the video, and what about the audio? Well, if I want to detach the audio from this video, and I will just right click on it and there will be an option detach audio. So I will click on it and the audio is detached, and you can put this audio anywhere you want. So that's how the audio works. And if you want to insert an audio file here, let me choose an audio files. You can just drag it like this. Okay, so and to lower down the audio, to adjust the volume, you can just drag it like this, or you can change the decibel value from here. So it is -5. Let's keep it -25. So now there is a background music and there is my voiceover and there is the video clip. So we can insert audio files, video files of JPEGs, PNGs, anything onto this thing, onto this timeline. Now if I want to, I can also put this audio file onto the magnetic timeline, but I don't generally do this. What I do is I just put the clip on the magnetic timeline and the audio file underneath it, and the background music which you will find in this video also underneath the voiceover. So The bad thing about this magnetic timeline is that if you will delete this clip, all the clips underneath it will be deleted. So I have accidentally deleted this clip. So what I have to do is I have to just press Command and Z to basically undo the action. And if I want to redo the action, I have to just Command Shift and Z. So that's how it does. So that's all for this video. Today we have learned how to import audio, video and photos onto the timeline by setting the in and out points, and how to undo and redo any action. Tomorrow we will learn about these three things: generators, titles, audio files, how to insert them, and all of that. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Watch the part 1 if you haven't watched it, if you want to get started with Final Cut Pro. This is the second part, and third part will be there soon. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on that. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial or in the previous tutorial, you can ask me there, you can DM me there. Okay, now bye.